job is today. Wash. Getting ready to go on a trip to Cloud Canyon and to Hampton, Alabama. So we got to wash. It's been sitting up a while, so it is dirty. So we're gonna give you a video of it. So here we go. Done. Big job, big job. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill it up. Now a lot of people say don't use a regular garden hose, put water in your camper, but we don't drink it. All we use it for is toilet, maybe wash your hands off. So anyway, we're gonna use this filter. You can buy this from Walmart. We're just gonna fill this holding tank up. A lot of people say they don't want to fill the holding tank up because of the weight. It don't make no difference. We still getting 11 miles a gallon. It don't matter if it's full or empty. So take full advantage of having plenty of fresh water on board. So let's do it. So it's gonna take a while. I think it's 40 gallons. So we're gonna let it go for a little bit. Stop the water from going in. We're gonna add a little of this. Just a little bit. Probably about as much as this funnel holds right here. Just to make sure we're not building no bacteria up in our freshwater tank. You don't want to add too much. It'd be bad. Smelly, awful. Even though we don't drink it, it'll stink up the whole place in there. So here we go. Okay, so now we're ready to start our water back in there. Something that we do probably not every time, but we do it probably every other time or so. And once that runs out, we'll refill on the road. We'll just use this funnel. You don't a lot of water. You don't know what's in a lot of water, even though they say it's treated. We'll go ahead and use this filter we bought from Walmart. Cheap, you can buy 2 of them for 20 bucks. And usually one will last a good while. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep filling it and we're gonna do some more stuff. Hey. You guys are ready. Just locked the compartments up. Checked all the tire pressure. You can tell. Overcast. We actually got rain last night, but it really wasn't in the forecast. Foggy this morning. So we're now on the way to Buc-ee's I-75 Calhoun first stop. Let's go. Hey, got a mic on this time. These doggone iPhones, boy, with this new download. Let's put the microphone on. Anyway, we're at Buc-ee's. Anyway, we just got here, and you can see behind us all that rain. It didn't do a bit of good to watch this thing. But anyway, on the way in, we'll give you some videos. Busy, ain't it? And Becky's truck.
Car doors and everything.
Yeah. Can't decide. Sure is good. Sure look good. There's a lot of people in this place. Sure is busy. Check out this jerky bar. Want some jerky? Got plenty of it. All right, got our stuff. Trying to get out of here. Where are we going?
I was going to see if I could find
We're waiting in line to check out. Hey, we made it out of there. The madhouse.
busy.
Woo! It is very busy. They did good on that Buc-ee's, didn't they?
We got some lunch.
Hey, yeah, we got something to eat. Can't wait. Hungry.
Pull him away for the goodies.
I tell you, lunchtime. Hey, check out all these cars. Parking lot. Full line trying to get out of this joint. Let's see if we can walk in a straight line so people won't be getting on. But
A lot going out.
sure is. Look at all these people checking out. Here, here's a view. Let me see. Here's a view of the pumps. Look at this. Now that is a lot of pumps. And there's two of them. There's another one in the back. So yeah, it's all right, let's cross this way. We're gonna get run over here. We're trying to make our way back to the RV, which is way over there. So anyway, we're gonna show you some lunch in a minute. Hey, hey, hey. We made it. Check this out. We made it to Cloud Canyon. Visitors registration. Got a few motorcycles coming in. It's pretty busy. A lot of them on the left. Got a little parking area right here. There's a big motorhome parked in front of us. It already went to the back. So we made it. Now, on the way to our site. Alrighty, you saw the time lapse. We got the water, electrical line, and I was going to show you just how I do it. I got this regulator we bought from Amazon. It's also got the pressure. It's at 42 pounds of pressure. Then have the filter, and it runs right over there to the RV. So that's the way I do it. A lot of people would like to do it differently. We also had to put it up on these blocks here, a little bit unlevel, and also the front. So anyway, we're at Cloud Canyon. Let's check it out. All right, there's a gray drain. I guess if you just got a portable gray water, you can pour it in there. Anyway, pretty nice. Pretty nice campsite so far. We're gonna keep on checking it out. We thought we'd check out this owl. I'm sure it's got a nice little sculpture. Very nice. Very nice sculpture. These rocks. How long them rocks have been here? Stones. Yes, anyway. Something going on down this way. It looks like a bunch of boat trailers. We'll go check it out. Yeah, I think we're on the way to a canyon. Like some kind of canyon. You can see all the people all down there. So it must be some good overlooks. So trying to get there closer. They also have these cottages, very nice cottages here at Cloud Canyon. Beautiful. But it's just been reworked. Yeah, they do have a little walking trail. Looks like we got plenty of parking down there. And looks like everybody's down here at the canyon, so we're gonna go check it out. All right, we made it to a trail. Go down that way. We'll go check out this overlook. I think we made it to the canyon. Let's see what it looks like. I zoomed into the waterfall, which is way over on the other side of the rim. I mean, it's probably a good mile or two across that rim. Anyway, I zoomed in a little bit. Check it out. I got some trail guys way over there on the other side of the canyon. They're about to disappear over there. But they come all the way around. Let me back up. They come all the way around this rim to get over there. All right, here's the storyboard. Wow. What a story. Wow. It's something to see. Never been there. Awesome place. Everybody's enjoying the picnic here at Cloud Canyon. Yes, it's very nice. Got a little parking lot here. Some kind of little building there, I guess you can rent. All right, we're gonna finish the day out. Check it out. There's the sun, right there, going down. Another day come and gone. So we stopped by Bucky's earlier. Good place to stop. Very busy. We're at Cloud Canyon now. At our site, you can see the sun reflecting off the motorhome right there. And you can also see it in my neighbor's motorhome there. Afternoon sun. I think everybody's about to wind it down. Nice and quiet. And check out them shots of the canyon. Very nice. We're gonna try to get some shots. We're gonna go there this afternoon while the sun's going down, but hey man, we tired. We've been traveling a lot today. Stopped by Bucky's for a while, and then we went, it's really back roads coming up through here, so you definitely get to see small town Georgia coming up through here. A lot of farmland. So we're gonna call it a day, and appreciate y'all staying with us. And we'll start another video tomorrow in the morning. So hey, catch y'all in the morning. Stay with us. Give us a thumbs up.